So that's the new CARF-Models MiG-17. It's a brand new airplane, it's a prototype. Production is running, but nothing has been delivered yet. We have about 30-35 flights on this one now, and it's released so that I'm personally very happy with how everything works and how it flies. It's a big airplane. It's a 24.5, 25 kilo airplane. It has flaps, speed brakes, of course retract system, which we do ourselves. It's based on Electron units. Has a scale cockpit with a sliding canopy, which I can activate from the transmitter. I have a KingTech 235, K235 in it. It's a perfect power match. And of course it has lights, position lights, and also very important an afterburner. The full size has a very distinctive, very bright afterburner, very old style, inefficient, but that's what makes it look so special. So it really has to have a bright light in the tail. Yeah, it flies fantastic. It's a plane for all fields, grass fields, asphalt. Short takeoff and landing, scale aerobatics. So I'm totally happy with it. So I couldn't recommend anything more than that airplane for a scale enthusiast, scale jet enthusiast.
This is rather cumbersome new configuration area sort of patrolling nosebleed. Obviously because the design requires
speed, agility, getting to the enemy as quick as you possibly can. The MiG. The Copperfields were doing going up against the Starfighter. An aircraft of that era, so distinctive, beautiful looking design. Classic 1950s Cold War aircraft. The lovely MiG, left to right, Weston Park. It's beautiful flying, Andres. There he's going. All about speed, agility, getting to the enemy as quick as you possibly can. The MiG. It's an absolute pleasure to have with us here at Weston Park pretty much the entire CARF team. These guys, of course, are based in Germany, and what with all the COVID travel restrictions, it's a real feat to get all his team here, all those PCR tests, all of the paperwork. Beautiful MiG-17 prototype. So sad to see the fact that we've got about 10, maybe 12 pilots who have had so many issues trying to get here. A lot of our international pilots from Thailand and Asia, sadly they're now in the red list, so they cannot travel to the UK. So it's a real shame we've lost quite a few big name demo pilots, but there's nothing we can do about it. It's one lovely looking aeroplane, isn't it? Wonderful MiG-17. On display from CARF. If you walk to the right hand side of the flight line by the AZ Aerosports team, a little bit further down you see their big RV. They have all of their models on display there, and this is one that you need to go and have a look at because the detail is utterly exquisite. The prototype MiG-17 flown by the owner of CARF-Models. Well, the throttle's now been brought all the way down, leading off that airspeed. Again, utilising as much altitude as you can. Altitude's our friend. He'll make a right-hand turn, and during that turn, he'll put the flaps down. If one came down before the other, or if one came down more than the other, you'd get that over tip of the wing, but you don't want that. So both flaps fully down, gear down, landing lights are on. The prototype MiG-17 flown by the owner of CARF-Models from Germany. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Thank you, Andreas. Andreas.
Free here. Thanks for watching this Weston Park 2021 video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you've got any questions about the model, stick it in the comments box. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe. See you soon.